hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl from the warm heart of Africa. Today I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, this is a duck from my backyard chicken coop, from my backyard coop, guys. I've been raising this for about a year now. Today I just wanted to enjoy the meal with my mom. My mom is here and I just wanted to enjoy the duck meal. So today I just want to show you the right way of cutting a duck. I will just finish cleaning it. After cleaning it, then I'll come back to you and show you how we can cut this duck in the right way. And if you are of African vibes, click to your girl, guys.
As you can see, I'm just removing everything that's inside. After that, I'll just put it on the log and I'll put it on the fire, on the charcoal that is burning for overnight. Yeah, that's the trick about it. I'll put it there for overnight. All the water will be drained and it will remain with only the juicy. Now this is the next day. Look at the juices, guys. Look at it. Very, very yummy. Make sure you have a very, very sharp knife, as not like as mine. As you can see, I'm starting with the back. I cut all the wings and then I'm starting with the backs. When you remove all the back part, all the parts will be coming out nicely. You will see it will be very simple to remove the other parts. Just remove the wings and the back and all the parts will be coming out nicely. Look at the juices. The duck is very, very juicy and the meat that's inside. Do not throw away the carcasses, because the carcasses will be used to make some soup. Look at it. Look at my yummy duck. I didn't even apply any oil, but then it is very, very oily, nice and juicy and yummy. Look at the meat that's inside. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, we enjoy the meat. As you can see, all the parts has come out nicely. All the parts of the duck here. I did not use the usual marination that I do always. I want to use the exact recipe for my mom to enjoy it. So I used soy sauce, mustard, yellow mustard, black mustard, some salt to taste, and I pounded everything, mixed them together. After I, put them on the fire, then after that, voila, it's in the pot, and then I covered it for it to boil. After some time of boiling, this is what I have, guys. Look at the beautifulness, the juices. That's the recipe that my grandma, my mom have been using for a long, long time. Yeah, after that, look at the halfway through the cooking, and then I fried it. After fried it, I made some soup, and voila, that's the end result of a very, very nasty and juicy. Oh, guys, let me enjoy my lunch, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.